Are you interested in taking your kitchen skills to the next level? How would you like your very own chef in your kitchen teaching you some seriously delicious chefy skills at your own pace? Take the stress out of cooking and master all the skills you thought they were just too difficult. Together we will master knife skills, presentation skills, and you will learn how to be confident with pastries, desserts, bread making, sauces, pastas, soufflés, just to name a few. My Chef Skills course has been designed to cover all the skills that you need to become a confident cook. You'll have support along the way to make sure that you succeed, and best of all, you'll have so much fun along the way. So if you're a passionate foodie, or if you'd like to be a passionate foodie, or if you want to be an artisan in your kitchen, or just learn how to entertain the friends or feed the family, now is the time. So please join me and let's get cooking.